Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you this money saving hack. If you want to learn how to make your own bread flour, your own cake flour and your own self-raising flour, then you need to keep watching this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And let's get straight into the video of the day. So to make your own bread flour, you're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then you're going to take 2 tablespoons out from the 1 cup, and then you're going to replace with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then you mix and sift it. So when your recipe calls for bread flour, just simply do this and you've got yourself your bread flour, and you can double this recipe according to the volume you want for what you're baking. So to make your self-raising flour, you're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour plus 2 teaspoons of baking powder plus 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You're just going to mix them together and then you're just going to sift it. Please note that you can get the list of ingredients and measurements in the description box. So to make your cake flour, you're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of flour out from the 1 cup, and then you replace with 2 tablespoons of corn flour, okay? And then you mix it together and then you sift it. If you've watched up to this point and you're not yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button right now and give this video a thumbs up and join the community, and you're going to love it. Here on this channel I share amazing baking tutorials and baking recipes, and I share baking tricks and hacks just like what you're seeing right now, and I share vlogs sometimes. So do join this community, join this family, and you're going to love it here. So here you have it. Try this amazing hack and thank me later and save yourself some cool cash. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Until then, happy baking.